Dear children, now I will show you how we can open OpenShot video editor and which are the different components of that software. So first we have to install that software in our system. For installing, we can go to the website https www.openshot.org and download the exe file. After that downloading completed, double click on it to run it, and that time it will ask for that language. That time we can select that English language also. So after installing, we can see a symbol logo like this. Now I already installed that software, so we can see that symbol OpenShot video editor like this. To open this, double click on this icon or click the right mouse button and select open option. Now to open, once again I want to click it. Click the right mouse button and select open option. So when we open OpenShot video editor, we can see a window like this. From here I am selecting that view as symbol view. Then I can explain the different components. The topmost bar is called menu bar. Menu bar contains different menu options like file, edit, title, view and help. Below menu bar we can see the main toolbar. Toolbar contains different tool buttons are there. Like first one is open, sorry, new project. Next one is open project. Then save, undo and redo. Undo for cancel the last action, redo for repeat the last action, and plus symbol that is for importing files. Next one is choose profile, full screen and export video. These are the different tools available on the main toolbar. Below the main toolbar we can see project files panel. Project file panels, this here only we are dragging that audio files, video files, image files, etc. From the system, it will place it here. By default, all the files are displayed under the Show All tab. Then next to that one, we can see filter text box. This is known as filter text box. After dragging this image file, audio files, etc., if we want to sort that or want to see a particular item, we can filter by using this box. Next to that, video preview window is this is known as video preview window. This is using to view the video being created. It has different buttons are there, play or pause. Then next one, fast forward and jump to end. Next, rewind and jump to start. These are the different buttons available on video preview window. Next one is function tabs. Function tabs allows this project file, switch between these project files, transition and effects. Transition means a changeover. We already doing in presentation and all, how each slide will come and display the, from here how each clip will come and display on the screen. That is the use of these transitions. It helps fading, fade in, fade out, etc. Different options also that we can select it. Next one is effects. In OpenShot, two methods are there for fading a clip, that is clip in and out, fade in and fade out. Next one is effects. When we are applying that effects, we can adjust the brightness, cropping, blur, saturation, etc. That's the use of effects. Then next below that one we can see edit toolbar. Edit toolbar means this one. Here we can see the first symbol is one plus symbol that is used for adding a new track. To add a new track onto the timeline, we are using this plus symbol. Next to that one, snapping enable is the step. When this snap mode is enabled, the transition will more accurately around that clips that we can see. Next one is razor tool. Razor tool means just like if you want to remove, cut or crop, remove the unwanted portion of a video and all, or we want to crop that video, we can use this razor tool. Then next one is marker. Add marker tool. Add marker tool is used. This is a green marker that helps the marking a position in the video. Just like if you want to remove a particular portion and all, we can mark that exact position by using this marker. Then next one is previous key point and next key point. That is previous marker, next marker. These are markers that take the playhead to the previous or next marker position respectively. Then next one is a center to the timeline to the playhead. That moves the timeline such a way that playhead is in the center of the screen when we are clicking on this one. Next last one is zoom in. Zoom in is used to in and out the clips on the tracks. These are the different buttons on this edit toolbar. Then next one is timeline. This is known as timeline. Here in this timeline we can see different tracks are there. Track 5, track 4, track 3, track 2 and track 1. Default 5 tracks will be displayed there. Then if we are drag and drop that project files, that is video clips, images, audio files, etc. in these tracks, and also this transition effects, etc. also be placed on this timeline or this tracks. We can arrange, rearrange these clips also here. And here we can see there is a horizontal, sorry, not horizontal, vertical red line with a blue balloon is on the top. This one now I am dragging now. This is known as playhead. So what is playhead? The red vertical line with a blue balloon on the top is called the playhead. Okay. Then next one is zoom slider. Zoom slider, this allows the user to adjust the time scale. Here we can see that we can adjust and drag inside or outside. We can adjust that video's time scale also by using this video timeline. So these are the different components. If you want to see the other tracks, that also we can possible. Just I will show now. Now we can see 3 tracks are here. We can scroll by using the scroll bar. Now see track 1, 2 also visible. So total here we can see 5 tracks are there at the beginning. Then if we want to add more track, we can add it by clicking the right mouse button and select add track above or below. We can select that one. Otherwise here one plus symbol is there, the yellow plus symbol is there, that way also we can add. Now I am going to add one track. So see now track 6 came. So if you want to remove means now I don't want to, so delete that one. So what to do? Click the right mouse button once again and remove track. That also we can select it. Okay, this way we can add and remove also. So these are the components of OpenShot video editor window. Okay, now we can begin that with starting with a new file. For that we can go to File tab and select New Project. New Project. Then from here we want to drag that files, that is import the files. For that we can use this file file menu and select import files, or we can use the shortcut key control plus F also. Then it will ask which audio file or video file what you want to drag it. Now I am selecting one file. Click on the open option. Now that drag positioned here. Okay. Then if the same way one more I want to add it, click the here also one import file option is there. We can click on that one, and now I am adding one more added. The same way you can add two or three. How many needed that and all. Okay. Now we wasted that we displayed in the below this project file. So that want to drag and drop on the respective track where we need. Suppose now we want to drag this to track 5. Okay, track 5. Now you can see this preview window that will displayed. If you are clicking on the play button, what will happen? That is started to play also. Okay, so clear now. Now the same way, if you want to drag this file, next clip to the same track or next track also. Now I will show that is dragging to the next track, that is fourth track. Okay, then this way we can import the files. For importing, go to file tab and select import files, or we can use the shortcut key control plus F. Then suppose if you, now I will add one more thing, one more file, importing one more file. For that Dubai, one more I added. Now here three are there. So if you suppose you already dragged here but you don't want that one. So what to do? We can delete a project file by clicking the right mouse button on the particular one and select remove from project. That will remove also. This way we can add as well as we can remove also. So clear now. Then next one is, now I will show how to drag and drop also in this timeline. Then we can use by these different buttons on this toolbar, on timeline toolbar. First one, add a track, that I already showed. Click that one, and when you are clicking on that, what will happen now? Here track 6 already added. So if you don't want to, click right mouse button and select the remove track. That is removed also. Okay, the next one is snapping enabled. Snapping means if we are selecting the snapping and all that, when we apply this transition, it will accurately snap to the surrounding of the clips. That is the use of these snaps. The next one is razor tool. What is it? So razor tool is used to remove the unwanted portion or cut and crop. For that, just I will show now. So that the beginning part I don't want. So what to do? Click this one, razor tool, and just click where you need. Now you can see that the video is dividing into two by using this. I removed that unknowingly I removed also. So now a small portion only here, other one I deleted. Once again I will drag and drop down and I will show how to use this razor tool. Click on the razor tool and mark a particular portion of that video. Then we can see now I am dragging this portion to down. Next, okay. Then needed portion I drag and drop and down. Then this portion I don't want, so we can delete that. How to remove or remove it? Click the right mouse button and select the remove clip. That divided portion only remove. This also I want to remove, so I can select that one and remove clip. Now from a drag and drop down, that is in track. Once again, one, two. Just click this one, click it. Then click on here. Now click the right mouse button and select remove clip. Drag down that is there itself now. Now okay. Okay, this we can drag up also. Drag to track 5. Now that first portion of this video, removed from that. That first portion removed, that here onwards only working there. Okay, now that is eraser tool. Next one is marker tool. Marker tool, when we are taking this marker tool, we can see one. We can mark the beginning and end also. When I am clicking this beginning, next marker also we can move like this. Automatically go last end. Next one, first end. That playhead will automatically move to the first marker side, and the next marker also it will go like this. That is a use of markup. Then next keep previous and next markers. And next one we can keep the middle of that. See now that automatically playhead plays around the middle of the timeline. Okay, then next zoom in. This is known as zoom in. We can drag also and reduce. Now I drag like this. We can increase also. Increase as well as we can decrease also. Like this. Okay, this is known as zoom slider. Now, which are the different? Now, next one is copy option. So, after adding a clip here, click the right mouse button on it, and we can see different options. First one is copy. Copy option is used to copy a clip. Just like a copy and paste already know. The same way only we can create duplicate copies. Then next one is fade. Fade in, fade out, no fade, etc. Fade. That is actually that fade means single color of transparent. Using this fade option, we can set each clip, that is fade in or fade out. Then we can start of the clip or end of the clip, that also we can see, or entire clip also we can see. Now I give entire clip. After each thing we can see the changes also. After each modification. You can see also. Okay, next one is again click the right mouse button and we can see next option, that is layout. Here we can see layout option is there. Layout option property, multiple video of text file in the same clip, that is a use of layout option. See bottom right, main ratio, show all, distort, center, etc. We can set that layouts. Then next one is time. Time means time we can set the time normal, fast, slow, etc. Then freeze and unfreeze also. These options are using freeze. When we freeze option, that that frame will be disappear from or hide from the screen for a short time or number of seconds we choose it. Okay, that is a use of freeze. Then next one is volume. Click again, click the right mouse button on that clip. Then click the right mouse button. System hang. Just wait for a second. This is play ahead. We can drag to the beginning. Now, next one is volume. Click the right mouse button again. Then we can see volume. Volume means we can set reset the volume, also sound, start of the clip need, end of the clip need, or entire clip need, like that. Different options is there that we can select it. Next one is separate audio. Separate audio option is used to, if you want to get an option that is all the clips have same video, or all the clips have same video, or we can use multiple separate audio for each clip. Both option is there. The same background audio for all the clips, or we can use a separate audio for each clip. Then we can select from here. Next one is slicing. Slicing option is used to, that is, divide one video into two parts. Keep both side. That we can divide left side and right side. Keep both sides. Then if you want to keep one side only, that also we can possible, keep left side, then the right side we can remove it, like that. That is a use of slice option. Okay, click the right mouse button and select slice. Under slice, three option will be coming. That is keep both sides. Slice, actually slice option is used to divide the video into two parts. Okay, so after dividing two parts, if you want to keep the left side only, that is possible. Or if you want to keep the right side portion only, that also possible. Or if you want to keep both sides, that also possible. Okay, then next one is properties option. Properties option is used when you are clicking on this properties option, another window will get. From here we can make the changes and etc. uh, if you are not sound and only, if you want to coming means, we can click on that one and click the right mouse button and select on, off, auto, reset, many options are there. Then like that we can change that one. The same way we can change the height, crop height. By dragging down, we can see different option will be there. We can change the volume here. Each and every option we can change by using this properties option. That is the use of properties option. Okay. Then next one is video preview. We can see that preview of that video. The next option is transition option. Transition option means we can select the transitions. Click on this transition option. Then we will get different types of transitions are there. Now drag, see. We can see many type of transitions are there. So which type we need, we can click on that one. Now I am selecting this one and we can drop on the video. See, after this one we can change the brightness, contrast, duration, etc. Project file. Once again want to go to desktop and select that. File. Open again. Now you can see that the transition effect is playing on the screen. We can change the transition also. If you want to select another way, that also we can drag and drop here. If you want to increase the brightness, we can change the number there. We can change the brightness also, how many ripple needed. Many types of cloud size selector now. We have that type brightness, want to increase it. We select the default one as. We can change that also. change the brightness. That effect is displaying on the screen. That is, now I select the clouds to transition. Okay, this is a use of transition. Now effect means, effect is using, we can change that brightness, cropping, blur, etc. We can. Now that effect changes. Pixable, new one we can change, drag and drop on the, then we can see that effects also. Okay, then next one is how to add a title on the screen. So again, project file want to take, for that we can go to title menu and select a title, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus T also. Then we will get a window like this. Many templates are there, so we can select a particular template from here. Now we select one, then we can give the file name on the top. Okay, file name as A. Then the title I change as system Carnegie. Not responding. Okay. Now we can give the heading as once again I will take. Again want to drag and drop the file. Desktop. Then now I want to add the title, means we can go to title menu and select the title option, or we can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus T. Now I select this option, bubbles 2, and we can change the file name here. AADEV. Want to change the title also. not responding. To close also, once again you want to open. Click the right mouse button. Select open option. Only one more remaining. How to export that video, that much only remaining. So once again I will show how to create a title. Click on title and select a title, or you can use a shortcut key Ctrl+T. Now I am selecting another style. Here file name want to give. Title again. Choose a file name want to give. Give the file name as AA. Title as Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Anyone we can give. Then if you want to change the font, we can change it, and if you want to change the text color, that we can change, as well as background color also we can change it. We can select different types of font is here. Times New Roman symbol, the Homa, etc. Small font, stickers are built in. So anyone we can see bold, italic is there, many options are there, strike out, strike it, writing system, that is Kannada, Malayalam, etc. that are also available here. So we can select it. Now we select Malayalam, so sample Malayalam came here. Okay. Okay, Malayalam itself. We can change that. Then we can change that text color also. Then text color we can change if you want to give another color, that we can select. Background color also we can change it. Then click on save option, that will save it. Now we can see a title like this. So just we can drag like this. That title also we want to drag wherever we need. If it is a top or beginning of the, now you can see thank you for watching displayed on the screen, because now I drag that beginning of that video. So like that end of the video, wherever we need, we can drag and drop. Then it started the transition, etc. Next video will come. Now I think we're clear about this one. Next one is last option, that how to export this video. For that we want to go to here, one export video option is there, one red circle. Otherwise we can go to file tab and select export video or export project is here. Then export video will come. Okay, or Control E is the shortcut key for that. When we are selecting that, it will ask for a file name. Here we want to give the file name. Sample I have. Then after giving the file name, just click this export video. Now here we can see 0% is there. When I am clicking export video, it started that percentage. Now you can look 0.8, 0.9%, 1, etc. This reach up to 100. Then only that function process will finished. So this exporting, it will take a little time. Now here 4.5 only, 4.6, 4.8, etc. This one to reach up to 100. Then this export video option become active also. But this will take time. That's why I am skipping this one. Now I make answer, are you sure? Okay, so we can close exit now. Go to file tab and select quit option, or we can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Q. It will ask whether you want to save yes or no. Yes, we can give. Then it will ask for a file name also. The extension of this OpenShot video file is .osp. .osp is the extension. Once again we can click that Ctrl plus Q. Now I think we're clear about the components of OpenShot video editing.